Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to log in into Nest Bank app on your iPhone. Simple and easy steps. Step 1. Open the Nest Bank app. Unlock your iPhone and tap on the Nest Bank mobile app icon. Make sure your phone is connected to the internet using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Step 2. Login screen appears. When the app opens, the login screen will appear. You can log in using Face ID, Touch ID or your mobile PIN depending on your settings. Step 3. Login with Face ID or Touch ID. If biometric login is enabled, simply look at your phone or place your finger on the sensor. The app will securely verify your identity. Step 4. Login with PIN code. If biometrics are not enabled, enter your Nest Bank mobile PIN on the screen. Make sure no one else can see your PIN while typing. Step 5. Successfully login. After successfully login, you will be taken to the home screen where you can see your account balance, credit cards, payments, and recent transactions. Step 6. Security tip and help. For your security, never share your PIN or phone with anyone. If you can't log in, tap forward PIN or contact Nest Bank customer support through the app. And that's how you can log in into Nest Bank app on your iPhone. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.